Imagine cruising down an open road, the sun glinting off a sleek, retro-modern silhouette that turns heads at every corner. That's the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle car that blends nostalgia with cutting-edge innovation. And today, we're diving deep into what makes this iconic machine a standout in today's automotive world. Let's start with the design. The Beetle's unmistakable shape is back, but sharper. The rounded curves are still there, paying homage to its heritage. But now they're paired with bold, angular lines and a lower, sportier stance. The front end features sleek LED headlights that wrap around the fenders, giving it an almost futuristic glow, while the rear retains that classic rounded profile but adds a modern twist with a full-width LED light bar. And here's a fun detail. The roof is now available in a contrasting color, with an optional panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with natural light. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's both cozy and tech-forward. The dashboard is minimalist, dominated by a 10-inch touchscreen that's intuitive and responsive. Volkswagen's latest infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and there's a customizable digital gauge cluster right behind the retro-inspired steering wheel. The seats are upholstered in premium, eco-friendly materials. Think recycled microfiber and vegan leather with bold color options to match the car's playful personality. Oh, and storage? They've nailed it. Clever compartments and a surprisingly spacious trunk make this little car practical for everyday life. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 Beetle isn't just about looks, it's got guts. The base model comes with a peppy turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivering 200 horsepower, paired with a smooth shifting 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. But the real star is the electric version. Volkswagen's modular electric drive matrix platform gives the e-Beetle instant torque, a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 6.2 seconds, and a range of up to 260 miles on a single charge. Both versions feature an adaptive suspension system, letting you switch between a cushy comfort mode for city drives and a firmer sport mode for spirited weekend getaways. What really sets this Beetle apart, though, are the quirky details. The flower vase on the dashboard? It's back, but now it's a modular slot that can hold your phone, a small plant, or even an aromatherapy diffuser. There's also an optional sound travel feature that uses exterior speakers to project curated soundscapes as you drive, blending engine notes with ambient music. And for the first time ever, the Beetle offers a retractable rear spoiler that automatically deploys at higher speeds, boosting aerodynamics without sacrificing style. Safety hasn't been overlooked. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. There's even a new park memory function that learns your favorite parking spots and can autonomously maneuver into tight spaces. So, who is this car for? If you crave a blend of personality and practicality, if you want a vehicle that feels both familiar and fresh, the 2025 Beetle is a love letter to drivers who refuse to choose between fun and function. It's not just a car, it's a statement. And whether you're zipping through city streets or carving up coastal highways, this Beetle promises to make every drive an experience you'll want to relive. Still here? Good, because you wouldn't want to miss the best part. Volkswagen says this Beetle is designed to evolve, with over-the-air updates that'll keep its tech fresh for years. So what do you think? Ready to join the next chapter of an automotive legend?